Today we're making a night lamp that turns on automatically when it's dark. No switches, no apps, just simple electronics. For this build, we'll need an Arduino Uno, a breadboard, jumper wires, a light dependence resistor, a 10 kilo ohm resistor, a 220 ohm resistor, and an LED. The LDR senses light levels, and when it gets dark, the Arduino triggers the lamp. The wiring is fairly simple. One leg of the LDR to the 5V DC, the other to the 10 kilo ohm resistor, then to ground. Before the resistor, connect an additional line to the analog 0 input. Connect the LED cathode or short leg to ground, and the anode or long leg to the 220 ohm resistor, then to the digital 9 input. Here's the sketch. The Arduino reads the light level, and when it's below a threshold, it turns on the LED. In bright light, the lamp stays off. When it gets dark, the lamp turns on automatically. That's your own automatic night lamp. Simple, practical, and a great example of sensor-driven projects you can make at home. And this is just Project 4 from DIY MakerTech Basics.